Hello, everyone. Welcome to your favorite English channel. I'm Shannon, your teacher today.
And I'm George. I'm here to learn with you.
That's right, George. Today, we will learn some very important English words and phrases. We will go slowly. We will repeat words. You can learn with us.
I'm ready to learn.
Great. Let's start with greetings. What do we say when we meet someone? We say hello.
Hello.
Good, George. Let's say it together. Hello.
Hello.
Excellent. Now you, our listener, try it. Say hello. Pause for 2 seconds. Very good. Another way to greet someone is hi. It's a little shortened.
Hi.
Yes, hello and hi both mean the same thing. They are greetings.
Greetings.
That's right. Now let's learn how to say good morning. We say good morning when the sun is new in the early part of the day.
Good morning.
Let's try it again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Perfect. Now, when the sun is high in the sky, in the middle of the day, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. That's a bit longer.
It is. Let's break it down. Good after noon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very good, George. Listener, you try. Good afternoon. Pause for 2 seconds. Wonderful. Now when the sun goes down, when it gets dark, we say good evening.
Good evening.
Again, good evening.
Good evening.
Fantastic. So we have hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. These are all ways to greet people.
So many ways.
Yes, but they are all useful. Now let's learn how to say goodbye. When you leave someone, you say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let's say it slowly. Goodbye.
Good. Bye.
Excellent. Listener, you say goodbye. Pause for 2 seconds. Very nice. Sometimes we say bye. It's a shorter way to say goodbye.
Bye.
Yes. So goodbye and bye both mean you're leaving.
Got it.
Now let's learn about the days of the week. These are the names for each day. The first day is Monday.
Monday.
Good. Next is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Then Wednesday. This one can be tricky to say. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
You got it. After Wednesday is Thursday.
Thursday.
Excellent. Then comes Friday. Many people like Friday.
Friday. Yes.
After Friday, we have the weekend. The first day of the weekend is a Saturday.
Saturday.
And the last day of the week is Sunday.
Sunday.
Let's say them all together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good, George. Listener, you try to say the days of the week slowly. Great effort. Keep practicing these. Now let's talk about some objects, things we see every day. First, a chair. You sit on a chair.
A chair.
Yes, a chair. Another object is a table. You put things on the table.
A table.
Good. A book. You read a book.
A book.
Excellent. Let's say them. Chair, table, book.
Chair, table, book.
Listener, can you say them? Chair, table, book. Wonderful. Now let's learn some daily activities, things we do every day. First, eat. We eat food.
Eat.
Yes. What do you do with an apple, George?
I eat an apple.
Exactly. We also drink. We drink water.
Drink. I drink water.
Good. Another activity is walk. We walk with our legs.
Walk.
And a very important activity, sleep. We sleep at night.
Sleep.
Let's practice these activities. Eat, drink, walk, sleep.
Eat, drink, walk, sleep.
Excellent, George. Listener, you try. Eat, drink, walk, sleep. Pause for 4 seconds. Fantastic! You're doing so well. So, we have learned many new English words and phrases today. Let's do a quick review.
A review. Let's see how much I remember.
Okay, George and listener too, what do we say when we meet someone?
Hello or hi.
Perfect. And when it's the beginning of the day?
Good morning.
Excellent. How about when you are leaving?
Goodbye or bye.
That's right. Now, George, can you count to 3 for us?
1, 2, 3.
Fantastic. Listener, you count to 3. Great. Now, what day comes after Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Very good, George. What is something you sit on? A chair. Correct. And what do we do when we're thirsty?
We drink water.
You got it. And what do we do at night to rest?
We sleep.
Wonderful, George. You remembered so much. And listener, I hope you did too. This was fun, Shannon. It was, George. Learning English takes time and practice. Keep listening and repeating. Thank you for joining us on your favorite English channel. Remember to practice these words every day.
See you next time.
Please remember to subscribe, leave a friendly comment, and like this video.